Namaste, I am Mrs. Bapanamba Tadi. Lal Ded, popularly called as Mother Lalla, was great poet saint of Kashmir. In Kashmir, some people consider her a holy woman and some as a Sufi, a yogi or a devotee of Shiva. About Lal Ded's birth and the period to which she belonged, very little is known with great certainty. But it is believed that she was born in Pandrithan, ancient Purana Dhishtana, near Srinagar, in a Kashmiri Pandit family in 14th century. Lal Ded belongs to the period where the governance in Kashmir is changing constantly. She was first mentioned in Tadkira Tularafin, which was written by Mulla Ali Rehna towards the end of the 16th century. Lal Ded was the creator of the style of mystic poetry called Vatsun or Walks, literally means speech, known as Lal Walks. Her verses are the earliest compositions in the Kashmiri language and are an important part in the history of modern Kashmiri literature. Every Kashmiri has walks of the Lalla on the tip of the tongue. If the 14th century walk is presented by somebody in the 16th century, the walk will carry the language of 16th century. This way, the language will keep on growing through her walks. Lal Ded received only primary education. She was married off at 12 years, and as was the convention, her name was changed to Padmavati. Her in-laws lived in Pampur. She has to bear quite a lot in her in-laws' house. Lalla would remain half-fed by her mother-in-law, but Lalla would never complain about her mother-in-law. Lalla is very engaged, serious and very philosophical kind of figure. She attacks orthodox conventions. She left the house at the age of 26 and went to the Saiva saint, Siddha Srikanta, from whom she draws her spiritual development. It is very interesting, fascinating almost to know that this 14th century Bhakti poet is revered and remembered by people in Kashmir to date. Her walks or verses are recited by every Kashmiri family because her walks need to be appreciated and understood for the questions that they raise regarding the individual. Goodness and moderation are the ideas that Lalla really stresses on. Do good, therein your duty lies. The gates of heaven will surely open wide for you. The UGC launched 10 women-centric academic chairs in different universities, which include the name of Lalleshwari.